name is Eli Kolodny, and I'm the technical director here at Odell Brewing Company. Odell was founded in 1989. We started distributing about 15 years ago or so, and now we're a regional distributing brewery, independently owned, based right here in Colorado. I think Odell sets the example in craft brewing in Colorado, largely about how we handle business. We take great pride in the relationships we have in our community, and that extends to our supplier partners as well. As we started adding more and more sophistication to our facility, Corosys naturally became a good fit for us. They were willing to work with us on a lot of the things that make craft brewing unique, and we typically want a custom situation for almost everything that we do. I think a lot of the attraction for Corosys, for Odell Brewing Company, was their willingness to work with us. It was a lot more not this is how it is and here you go, figure it out. It felt like here's where we can start the conversation, and that's really important. One of the earliest collaboration projects we worked with them on was the first carbonator we had. We had a very specific space constraint, and it required a custom unit. And so we had to kind of soup to nuts create a custom unit with them, and they were very open to doing that, and we managed to get it right in where we needed it to be. The automation in the carbonator frees up time for our people to focus on quality. It's a significant advantage for Corosys to be able to not only deliver and manufacture the equipment, but also integrate it into our process. Not only do we not have to juggle two different suppliers that we have to work with and bring together, they're also more of a partner with us. They come to our facility, they understand what they're trying to do, and that feedback becomes immediate. So they understand the actual process that is unique to each facility, and they can then integrate that into whatever equipment we're working on. Having the equipment that we have from Corosys, the time alone in savings is worth it over the long run. We're a 100-year company. We're going to be here for a really long time. Not having to double check everything, not having to worry if you're scrubbing a beer, blowing out aroma, that is a huge relief. Our reputation is built on quality, and equipment like the Corosys equipment we have helps us ensure consistent quality. I think one of the reasons we continue to grow with Corosys is their willingness to work with us and have conversations, and we can throw ideas out there. It feels like you're working together to solve a problem instead of trying to convince someone else to solve it a certain way. I think we look forward to partnering with Corosys in the future because we know that whatever problem we're trying to solve, we'll find a partner who wants to work through it with us, and that means the most.